Now, before we continue looking at how our thoughts cause us ill health, let us also look at lifestyle choices which affect our health and cause diseases too. As I mentioned in the beginning of the topic, by going against the natural law of health, we cause sickness in us. This is what I'm terming here as lifestyle choices. Many of us prioritize convenience over well being, often unaware of the long term effects they have in us. Then, poor lifestyle habits contribute to chronic diseases, disabilities, and even premature death. Let us have a look at some of these lifestyle factors that cause ill health and ways in which to have a healthier choices in our lives. The first one is unhealthy diet and poor nutrition. A diet which is high in processed foods, sugar, or unhealthy fats may lead to obesity, diabetes, and also heart diseases. The solution to this is to eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and health fats, which we get completely from the natural foods. Then the second one is lack of physical activities, which can also contribute to obesity, heart diseases, and at times mental health issues. So, this tells us to engage at least for 30 minutes in a daily exercise, such as walking, cycling, or yoga, or any other physical activities you can be capable of doing. Then the other lifestyle is smoking, alcohol, and substance abuse. Smoking, excessive alcohol, and drug abuse increases the risk of lung cancers, liver damage, and mental disorders. How to help ourselves from this? Quit smoking. Limit your alcohol intake if you cannot leave it forever. Avoid drug abuse. Seek support if it is needed. When you find yourself it's difficult to leave things like alcohol or drugs, it means that you have become an addict. And probably you will need a helper to come out of that. Seek for counseling and other activities which might help you in this. Then the other one is poor sleep habits. Lack of sleep weakens our immunity, increasing stress, and leads to heart diseases too. How do we help ourselves in this? Check your intake of some drinks like coffee and other drinks which might deprive you of sleep. If not, take any other cause which might be contributing to your poor sleep habits. Deal with them, and if necessary, take medication. If not, do meditation and contemplation over this. At least you should struggle to sleep 7 to 9 hours daily and maintain a constant sleep routine. The other way is high stress levels. As we saw, chronic stress raises blood pressure, weakens immune system, and affects mental health. How to help ourselves? Manage stress through relaxation techniques, meditation, and also physical activities. The other way is poor hygiene and neglecting health checkups. Ignoring hygiene and skipping medical checkups can lead to infections or undiagnosed diseases. In the current world, where there are so many diseases which attack us unknowingly, we need this regular health screening. Maintain good hygiene and get vaccinated where necessary. The other way is excessive screen time and social isolation. Spending too much time on screens reduces physical activities and social interaction, leading to sometimes mental health or stress, even depression. So, to take care of this, limit screen time, take breaks, and engage in social activities. Then the other way which might affect our health, although it is not in our capacity to preventive at times, it's environmental factors. Exposure to pollution, chemicals, and poor air quality may increase the risk of respiratory and skin diseases. And the solution to this may be when we are aware of our environment, we may reduce our exposure to these pollutants, use eco-friendly products, and keep indoor spaces well ventilated. So, our daily habits shape our health. By making simple but effective changes, by eating well, staying active, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding harmful substances can lead to healthier and happier life. The choices is in your hands. Let us prioritize our well-being today for a better tomorrow.